Hello everyone, I am Lisa. Welcome here today. I am sharing my everyday routine with you guys today. What I eat and my workout routine. So, I generally wake up around 6 a.m. in the morning and I start my day with a cup of warm water with apple cider vinegar in it. Here I have apple cider vinegar with mother from San Botanica. Before adding it to my water, I would like to shake it. So I take just 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and add it to 1 cup of warm water and mix it. And this is it. I drink it at around 6:15 or 20 like that, and I have been drinking this drink for past 3 to 4 months and I do really like it. I like to take 1 hour of walk every morning. Early in the morning, I would like to go out for my morning walk, but due to the current lockdown situation now, I stay home and walk on my treadmill. I walk for 1 hour. It's 9 o'clock and it's time for my breakfast. For my breakfast, I am making oatmeal. I take 1/3 cup of oats. I add some water and let it cook for a minute or so. I add a little bit of milk to my oats, not a lot, just 1/4 of a cup or something like that. My oatmeal is ready. I add 1 tablespoon of chia seed, 1 tablespoon of flax seed, and some dried goji berries that I came to know from Versatile Vicky's channel. And I also add a little bit of honey into my oats for sweetness, and my oatmeal is ready to serve. I like to have a cup of chai, that is adrak wali chai, with my breakfast every morning. I love chai and I just cannot survive without tea, you guys. I drink tea every morning and I make my tea with milk. I do not skip milk, but I do not add any kind of sweetener into my tea. I'm trying to give up sugar. I start my work for the day and I have my breakfast at my work only. I generally have my breakfast before 9:30 a.m. I try to stick to the specific time for my meals. I drink more than 3 liters of water every day. Oats keep me full for at least 3 to 4 hours so I don't snack in between breakfast and lunch. It's my lunch time. I generally eat whatever I cook for my family. I'm having 2 rotis, paneer ki sabji, dal with vegetables in it, dahi without salt and sugar, and 1 cucumber. I generally eat whatever I cook for my family. The important thing is portion control. Home cooked meals are always better for us. We can enjoy everything, just limit the quantity. I am limiting my salt and sugar intake as well, so I am not adding any extra salt or sugar to my dahi or any other thing, not even on cucumber. For snack, I'm having mango chia seed pudding. I love mango and I just can't give up. It is a seasonal fruit and I cannot give up mango at all. To make chia seed pudding, I just add 2 tablespoons of chia seed and add in half a cup of milk. I will mix it and keep it in my refrigerator for around 2 hours, and the chia seed will be ready. It will all swell up and it will be ready to serve. Chia seed is an absolutely amazing food, you guys. You should try it. I will add some mango cubes into the chia seed pudding, and my mango chia seed pudding will be ready. I do not add any extra sweetness into this pudding because mango is already sweet and it gives a perfect blend of sweetness. You should try this chia seed pudding with mango. It absolutely tastes amazing. If you don't like mango, I don't know why you don't like mango, but if you don't like mango, you can add any fruit of your choice. Any fruit will taste good with it. I have tried apple and banana. They taste very well with chia seed pudding. This is dinner time and I am ready with my dinner. I am having one roti, dal with vegetables from lunch and some boiled salted chickpeas. I usually have my dinner before 6 p.m. This dal with vegetable in it, we call it dalma in Odisha. It is very delicious and is a household thing in Odisha. Before getting to bed, I usually have a cup of tea, that is any kind of herbal tea. I do not drink green tea because it has caffeine in it, but any decaf tea will be okay. It is basically 0 calories, but it tastes good and it soothes me at night. It relaxes me. So I like to drink a cup of tea before bed. I will enjoy my tea with my son and I will watch some TV shows with him. I hope you guys liked my routine today. Thanks for sticking by. I will catch you guys next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.